Hi folks, welcome to the third edition of new Aero wing design. My name is Milinda and this is the third edition of what I want to initiate. As you know, the Aero wing design, the normal aeronautic wing is always unstable. So we are taking that instability to our advantage, and I've come up with this new sort of a model where we won't be needing ailerons as well as fly-by-wire system. So instead we'll be looking at hydraulics. So this is a very basic design that I've put together, so please don't judge based on this. Just to show you how it functions, we have set up two pistons on either side, and depending on which side the craft wants to bang, we will be changing the wing. So the full wing will be turning instead of just the aileron. So basically what this design would do is it would give the fuselage more balance, and the fuselage will not roll when the aircraft bangs. So thank you folks, just let me know if you are interested, and hopefully we might be able to work together. Thank you.